Hello friends, it is Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to help us by subscribing to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing Poptaters Super Impulse Collector's Edition Godzilla Mr. Potato Head. There's a new spud in town. Official Mr. Potato Head licensed product. Godzilla Strikes Back. Interchangeable parts. And he comes with a little car in his hand. There's also atomic breath that you can put in his mouth. And whatever this is. The world's smallest. Oh my. That's a lot of Mr. Potato Heads. Alright. Here's Mr. Potato Heads on the back here. There's a Squid Game one and a Transformers one. And some Star Trek ones and Bob Ross one, and there's a creepy looking Sonic one and a Chucky one. There's a lot of them. Alright, then what was that? Oh no, his arm! The car easily fell out of his hand. Alright. So, here's Godzilla. One arm is higher than the other. Don't question it. His tail is movable. And then here's the car. Next is the atomic breath. And then you open his mouth and put it in there. And that's what it would look like with the atomic breath. And then you'd pop this and this would connect up to here on his head. And the arms connect on wherever you want on these three pegs there. And then his mouth connects where the Mr. Potato's nose would be, I think it would usually be. And then his legs connect to the butt. And like every other Mr. Potato Head, he has this butt pocket. And the butt pocket has ears in it in a Ziploc baggie. And then you put those on Godzilla. That's funny. Hold on. I gotta see Godzilla with ears. Where'd those ears go? So, these are the Mr. Potato Head ears. Just like this. And now you have Godzilla with Mr. Potato Head ears. That's a really cool secret. If you open up his butt, he got ears in it. Now, if you were to just display Godzilla in packaging, you never would have known about these secret ears. So I'm wondering if every Mr. Potato Head like this comes with secret ears in the butt. So I rate this a 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups, because this is a really cool Godzilla, and it's a really cool Mr. Potato Head. And you can even put the Godzilla head on with the ears. Look at that. This is like the best Godzilla Mr. Potato Head ever. So, friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media and the links down in the description. And don't forget to help us by subscribing to our YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.